Usability. With a 17-inch large-screen operation panel, intuitive operation becomes available and usability is improved. Automatic quality control technology enables the automation of the calibration process. Calibration time can be reduced and improve productivity. An integrated media setting system, IMSS, provides optimal machine settings for each type of media. A media identification unit automatically measures media properties and selects the closest match from within the media library, enabling all users to quickly select the correct media and print in high quality. Furthermore, the Media Management tool enables users to access the integrated media setting system from their PC. Trained customers can replace key components and consumables, including drums, rollers, fusing units, and more, without technical assistance.